In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80070781. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, navigate at the search bar at the left side, type for Windows Store. Then wait until you can find and fix problems with Microsoft Store or Windows Store apps. Click on next so that you can run the troubleshooter, complete this process, and once you are done with this, check if the error has been resolved. And if not, proceed to the next solution, and that is to clear the Microsoft Store cached. Press Windows key and R key together. Type for wsreset.exe. Click on the OK button. Wait until this would be finished, and once you are done with this, check if the error has been resolved. And if not, then let's move on to the third and last solution. But before that, I want to copy the command that I have given at the YouTube description. Control C to copy. Navigate to the button search bar and type for CMD. And then you need to navigate to the right side and run it as an administrator. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So please paste the command that I have given at the YouTube description. Control C, Control V here at the command prompt. In that way, you'd be able to start the process the moment you click on the enter key after you have pasted it. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.